हाय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। इस वीडियो में आप कुछ एमसीक्यू देखेंगे जो कि चैप्टर पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट से लिया गया है। ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाली है क्योंकि इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में भी आएंगे। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एन एलिमेंट विथ एटॉमिक नंबर 21 बिलोंग्स टू द कैटेगरी ऑफ डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स, एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स, एफ ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स या पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स। And the correct option is A, D block elements. Next, which of the following is a metalloid? Sb, Mg, Zn या Bi? And the correct option is A, Sb. Next, the lightest metal is Li, Na, Mg या फिर Ca? And the correct option is A, lithium. Next, in third row of periodic table from Na to Cl यानी कि सोडियम टू क्लोरीन, electronegativity increases, electronegativity decreases, ionization energy decreases, atomic volume increases. And the correct option is A, electronegativity increases. Next, elements of the same vertical group of the periodic table have same atomic number, same atomic size, same number of atoms, same number of electrons in outermost shell. And the correct option is D, same number of electrons in outermost shell. In Mendeleev's periodic table, gap was not left for one of the following elements. This element is gallium, beryllium, germanium, scandium. And the correct option is B, beryllium. Next, the Newland's laws of octaves for the classification of elements was found to be applicable only up to the element potassium, calcium, cobalt and phosphorus. And the correct option is B, calcium. Next, the atomic particle whose number in the atom of an element always remains the same and which form the real basis for the modern classification of element is electron, proton, neutron या meson. And the correct option is B, proton. Next, which of the following statement is not a correct statement about the trend when going from left to right across the periods of the periodic table? The elements become less metallic in nature, the number of valence electrons increases, the atom lose their electrons more radially, the oxides become more acidic. And the correct option is C, the atoms lose their electrons more easily. Next, the atomic number of an element is 20. In modern periodic table, this element is placed in second group, fourth period, third period या first period. The correct option is B, fourth period. Next, the elements A, B, C, D and E have atomic number 9, 11, 17, 12 and 13 respectively. The pair of elements which belongs to the same group of the periodic table is A and B, B and D, A and C या D and E. And the correct option is C, A and C. Next, which of the following element would lose an electron easily? Mg, Na, K या Ca? And the correct option is C यानी कि potassium. Which of the following element does not lose an electron easily? Na, F, Mg या Al? And the correct option is B, F यानी कि फ्लोरीन. Next, where would you locate the element which electronic configuration 2,8 in the modern periodic table? Group 8, Group 2, Group 18 या Group 10? And the correct option is C, Group 18. Next, an element which is an essential constituent of all the organic compounds belong to the following group of modern periodic table. Group 4, Group 14, Group 15 या Group 16? And the correct option is B, Group 14. Next, which of the following is the valence shell for the elements of second period of the modern periodic table? M cell, K cell, L cell या N cell? And the correct option is C, L cell. Next, the element which has the maximum number of valence electrons is Na, P, Si, Al. And the correct option is B, P यानी कि phosphorus. Next, the correct increasing order of the atomic radii of the elements oxygen, fluorine and nitrogen is OFN, NFO, ONF या FON? And the correct option is D, FON. Next, the atomic number of the elements Na, Mg, K and Ca are 11, 12, 19 and 20 respectively. The element having the largest atomic radius is Mg, Na, Ca या K? And the correct option is K. Next, the correct formula of the oxide of Eka aluminium element predicted by Mendeleev was EaO3, Ea2O3, Ea3O2 या EaO? And the correct option is B, Ea2O3. Next, the element which forms a basic oxide and has atomic number of 14, 17, 18 या 19? And the correct option is A, 14. Next, which of the following set of elements is written correctly in the order of their increasing metallic character? MgAlSi, Con, NaLiK, BeMgCa? And the correct option is D, beryllium, magnesium and calcium. तो ये था स्टूडेंट्स कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट MCQ ऑफ चैप्टर पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. इसी तरह अगर आप और वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो आप प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन में जा कर के देख सकते हैं. तो चलिए मिलते हैं फिर आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ और क्वेश्चन के साथ.